This is a huge difference. I mean, look at the difference in the color shade. This is gonna be a night and day difference for this bottom part. There's two things making this car look ratty and neglected. And I don't wanna go out and spend the money to replace every single piece of plastic on the outside of this car. That would be both expensive and kind of stupid. So instead, I spent $100 on chemicals and sandpaper, and today I'm going to make this car look 10 years newer than it actually is. But I don't want to come back and look at this car in 3 months and have it look just as bad as it does today. So the things I'm going to do better last, and if it doesn't, I'm going to consider this a huge failure. Solution finish. It's a plastic dye that will absorb into the gray plastic and turn it back to its original black color. It's going to take a couple coats to make sure that we don't have any streaking or anything like that, but it should get it there. After that, I want this to last a long time, so they have another product called Over the Top, and it acts kind of like a ceramic coating and creates a layer between the outside world and that dyed plastic to make it last longer. This piece was originally black, and you can kind of see down here I've scratched it a little bit and exposed what's underneath, but it's so oxidized and chalky I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix it, so I'm going with a different approach for this one. I'm going to scuff it up, I guess, with some Scotch-Brite to try and get rid of as much of this gray as I can before I do the dye. All right, so I said that we had two things that we're gonna do to this car today. And one of them, and I think probably the most important, is headlights. I'm going to get these things sanded down and clear coat them and hope that they return this car to a new looking appearance. We're gonna sand these headlights down, and I've watched so many videos, I'm sure all of you have, and my favorite one, I think it's gonna work the best. We're gonna start out with some P400, spray it to get it wet, go over it once, then go over it once with 600, then go around the edges with our fingers to get the spots that we missed. Then go over it with 800. And at that point, the sanding will be done. Then we're gonna clean with isopropyl alcohol, tack rag, a dust coat of 2K clear, let it dry for 10 minutes, tack rag again, thick coat of 2K clear. Okay, so with 2K clear, you need to have a respirator because it's toxic. So I'm gonna get the can ready, put this on, and then let's spray some headlights. For $100 in an afternoon, this car looks like it gives a damn again. Mostly. I think that the black trim turned out great. I'm so happy with it. It looks so clean. It really looks brand new. The headlights, one of them is perfect. The other one has some orange peel, so I'm gonna have to try and wet sand it down and fix that, but I have to let it cure for a few days. I'll probably revisit how well these have all held up in a few months, but until then, catch you on the next one.